This is going to be a how-to video on how to use a chainsaw safely and properly. So, first of all, you're going to want ear protection. Hold up here. Let me get this straight. Ear protection. If you don't have a helmet with ear protection and face shield, earplugs. A good pair of earplugs. Safety glasses, sunglasses, any kind of glasses. Or if you have a helmet, it'll come with a face shield. So you'll have that. I'll show you how to use the saw. You're going to want a pair of gloves. If you have chaps, wear them. But if you don't, wear a good pair of jeans and boots. Boots help too. Now I'll show you how to operate the saw safely. So I wear, you can buy these gloves at Home Depot. I think they're good gloves. They're Grease Monkey. They're washable. You can wash them in the washing machine. Done that several times, so that's how to use the saw. When you start it, you can either start it on the ground. I don't have someone to videotape me. I would try to move the camera, but on the ground, put your foot on there, or you can go in between the legs like this. If you can see it, let me back up some, like this. Then, alright, let me show you some other ways how to use the saw. Let me move the camera up. This piece over there. I'll show you what not to do when you're cutting into wood. If you don't know how to use a saw, don't put the tip of the bar into wood like that. It'll prevent kickback. If you do that, you have a higher risk of having kickback. Kickback would come back and go all the way back, and it could hit you in the head and hurt you really bad. When the saw is idling, make sure you have your chain brake on. Really important, if you have chaps, wear them. It doesn't matter what you look like. It's because you could look a lot worse in a full body cast or in the hospital and have plastic surgery. So wear chaps if you have them. The helmet with the ear protection and face shield. But I could have chaps, but I think they get in the way if you're a logger. They can get caught up in brush. That's the disadvantage of chaps when you're a logger. But they're good if you're just a normal tree guy that works on people's property, cutting down trees up in the sky and down low. If you're a groundsman, that would be good for that. But chaps they do save lives. I'm convinced they do. Hard hat with the earmuffs and face shield. If you have one, just wear it. I mean, I know if you get kicked back, it will prevent you from having a head injury. So if you have it, wear it. But they're good to have. But make sure when you're using your saw, when you're not using it, make sure you have the chain brake. Every saw comes with it. To hold the saw, usually there's a stance. I put my left leg out in front and my right leg behind me a little bit, and I just will work like that. You gotta be careful when you're pulling back. Don't pull back when you know you're getting to the end of the log. Start to slow down so you don't come back, because you're having a lot of force coming through there. But let me show you how to start the saw. Cold starts for people who do cold starts. Choke on, chain brake between the legs like this. choke off. Almost forgot earplugs. There is ways to keep your legs out of the way when you're using the saw. Keep one behind you like this, and I put one in front like that. And usually, I mean, if you're going, you come through, it usually would miss. So that's another good way. So like that, and keep your foot behind you. So that's my best advice for you to use a chainsaw. Just be careful, and you gotta stay safe. So thanks for watching. Sorry for the not so great video thing. Not so good at it, but I try. So thanks guys for watching.